Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Japan Rekindled. Today we are going to buy bicycles. You may be wondering, well, why do we need a video about buying a bicycle? Well, because in Japan buying a bicycle is just a little bit different. You know, back at home we would just buy a bike, go home and you're good to go, but there's a little bit more to it here. Your bicycle will have a serial number. You're going to have to register your bike with the local authorities. Also, insurance that is required if you live in Tokyo, because it's a method of transportation and it's a way a lot of people commute in case you hit something or somebody or cause some kind of issues. And so it's not just a quick purchase. Yeah, be ready to spend some time in the shop. The most common bicycle in Japan is called a mamachari, but if you're looking for something a little bit more, they obviously have those options. The more you're looking for, the more it'll cost. Having a bicycle in Japan, there are probably some bicycle rules you should be aware of. Headphones. So you're not allowed to wear headphones while you're cycling. Cell phones are also no while you're on your bicycle. Japan is an umbrella-loving country. Being from Seattle, we don't use them. And then you do decide to use an umbrella, don't use it while you're cycling. If you're in the market for one, you can buy a mini garage for your bicycle. Double riders, you're not really supposed to have more than one person on a bicycle. And you can have your kid if you have a bicycle with a kid carrier. Drinking and cycling. Japan's alcohol rules are very strict. One drink, you're done. If you have a bicycle, you can't have a drink. So, I got a bike that I wanted. Don't have it today because, well, I'm having some work done on it. The bike that I bought didn't have, oh, look at that.
Say hi. That's beautiful.
He's really cool. That's a cool dragonfly. Anyway, the bike I got doesn't come with a kickstand, doesn't come with a bell, which is another requirement, doesn't come with a light. So I had to buy all that stuff separately. But anyway, I'll show you guys the bike tomorrow when I get it. Okay, so it is bicycle day. As I said yesterday, I was getting some custom work done on my bicycle, so I got called last night that it was done, which is I'm glad about. Right now, I made it to the shop. Going to Bike Plus, which is a local bicycle shop. This is where I bought my bicycle yesterday. Here she is. I don't know how easily visible it is, but it is a dark bluish color. It's pretty sweet. All right, got my bicycle a couple days ago, and we are now mobile, expanding our horizons a little bit. Just a quick note that this is not a comprehensive list. These are just some basic rules and they may vary from locations not only within Japan but Tokyo as well. So please check your local rules and regulations. Arigatou gozaimasu. Lights. So all bicycles in Japan have lights on them. I don't know if they're a requirement, but they're definitely a good idea. I think they're more for people to see you while you're cycling at night than anything else. But if you have one that's bright enough to illuminate your way, that's obviously a plus. Show off. Helmets are optional for adults and they're required for kids, but you hardly ever see people wearing them. The only people I really ever see wearing helmets are the actual people who are out cycling for exercise. So when you're riding your bicycle, for the most part, you're supposed to stick to the main roads, the actual roads. But in a place where there's a path like this, then you can get on a path. You're supposed to stick to the left side of the road, but a lot of times you'll just see people swerving in and out. I think people are supposed to walk on the left as well, and then you pass them on the right, but people walk wherever they want. So the rules are pretty flexible in that one. This road got really nice. So anyway, I think that kind of wraps it up for road rules. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer. Also, if you want to learn more about Japan, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have specific questions or topics that you want me to cover, please go ahead and let me know in the comments below. And maybe we'll cover those in future videos. For now, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! God, am I even in Tokyo anymore? Where the hell am I? Toys R Us?